Afternoon guys, welcome back to the channel. Nice quick video for you today. This is a possibly 2020 T6.1, but I think it's possibly newer. A bit unorganised, so apologies for that. So this is a fully loaded T6.1 with electric tailgate from factory. What we have done is we've not only enabled the electric automatic open with the key fob, but also we fitted an internal switch inside to allow this customer to be able to be inside the van and open the boot lid. Now of course it's not just going to open the boot lid and smash into something, because these are incredibly intelligent, talk to the comfort side of the thing, of the data pack or the parking sensors, so that if the vehicle knows it's within a certain range of a vehicle or a wall, it just won't work. So if I press and hold the button now to open the boot lid, the boot lid won't open, and that's purely because of the fact that the sensors can detect me. So if I then move away from the vehicle, like so, and I press and hold the button, you'll see that the boot lid will open. If Sammy comes over to here, I'm sure he's already got some photos, but here is the switch that's been fitted. This is the original VW factory switch that you would have seen normally in the boot lid. This vehicle didn't come with one, and we've now retrofitted this. So when they're in the vehicle and the vehicle is locked or unlocked, they can just press this button here and that will then open the boot lid. And if it doesn't open, it's because they're too close to something behind. Anyway, that's all genuine VW parts wired in through the tailgate. Now, if we move away from the tailgate will still operate itself as you would normally. Press this button and automatically closes. So if you've got a vehicle like this, T6.1 with the electric tailgate or a manual tailgate, and you want the internal button to open the latch or open the tailgate, providing you've got an electric one, then get in touch with us. Website's in the bio. We're Advanced in Car. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and thank you for watching.